Dash.
Paano mo
Oh, what are you doing?
i-check ka na ng email?
Chichika ka email mo, bakit?
What are you doing, Justin? Where is your guide?
Yahoo.
Ano ba yun? Pagbukas mo?
Oh, sige. Bukas na.
Where is your guide? You get the box so that you can take a look. So that you can take a look if it is right.
Nasa inyo ako? Sa mail?
Are you Bob the Builder, Justin?
Pero kailangan i-mark ko sa save pa.
Help me.
What?